Hey guys, for this tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to make this cannabis leaf. You can make it into pretty much anything you want, like maybe some earrings. You can sew it onto something. I've seen a few bathing suits with a cannabis leaf sewed onto it, and I thought that those were really cute. For this, you're going to need a crochet hook. I'm using a size 1.5 millimeter. I got this off of Wish. Thought it was gonna be low quality, but I don't know, it's been working out pretty well for me. You're gonna need some scissors and a sewing needle to weave in your ends, and you're gonna need some crochet thread. I got this off of the Wish app as well. It shows that it's silk thread on the app. I just searched for crochet thread and it was like the first one that came up. It's not really silk thread, it's cotton thread. I don't know why it says silk, but it does. It is very soft. Okay, so to start off, we're gonna make a magic ring. You can also chain 4 and slip stitch into the first chain and make your single crochets in that. Just find that the magic circle works better because you can tighten it up. I guess you could tighten up the other ones too, but this works best for me. Okay, using 2 strands. You can use 1 strand if you want. Hold your tail with your thumb here. Wrap your yarn around your 2 fingers. Make sure it crosses. Make sure your working yarn is behind your loop. Insert your hook, pull your loop, pull your working yarn through your loop, grab it, and chain. Okay. I like to wrap my yarn around my pinky 2 times when I'm working with thread. Okay, pull your tail to close your ring a little bit. And we're gonna make 8 single crochets into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I better redo that one. I only grabbed 1 strand. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, I'm gonna pull the tail to close my ring. And I am going to slip stitch into the first single crochet that I made. Okay, and then I'm going to chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and then I'm going to slip stitch into the first chain. That would be the second chain from the hook. Single crochet into the next chain, and half double crochet into the next 3 chains. Okay, and then we're gonna single crochet into the next chain. And then we will slip stitch into the next single crochet that we made. And then chain 10. Okay, and slip stitch into the second chain from your hook. You're going to do this for every leaf. Single crochet in the next chain. Half double crochet in the next chain. And then we're going to do 1 double crochet in the next 3 chains. Then we're going to half double crochet in the next chain. And single crochet in the next chain. Slip stitch into the next single crochet. And now we're going to chain 12. Slip stitch into the second chain from your hook. Single crochet in the next chain. Half double crochet in the next chain. Then we're going to double crochet in the next 2 chains. And then we're going to treble crochet in the next 2 chains. To do that, you wrap your yarn around your hook 2 times, pull up a loop, go through 2 loops 3 times. Okay, then we're going to make 2 double crochets. That's 1 in the next 2 chains. Then we're going to make a half double crochet in the next chain. And slip stitch into the next single crochet. Okay, then we're going to chain 14. Slip stitch into the second chain from your hook. Single crochet in the next chain. Half double crochet in the next 2 chains. Double crochet in the next 2 chains. And we're going to treble crochet in the next 3 chains. Then we're going to double crochet in the next 2 chains. Half double crochet in the next chain. and slip stitch into the next single crochet. Okay, and then the next leaf is going to be just like your third leaf. You're going to chain 12, okay, slip stitch into the second chain from the hook, single crochet in the next chain, half double crochet in the next, double crochet in the next 2 chains, treble crochet in the next 2 chains, double crochet in the next 2 chains, half double crochet in the next chain. Okay, then slip stitch into the next single crochet. And this leaf is going to be just like your second leaf. We're going to chain 10. Slip stitch in the second chain from your hook. Single crochet in the next chain. Half double crochet in the next chain. And double crochet in the next 3 chains. That should have been a double crochet. Okay, then we're going to half double crochet in the next chain. And single crochet in the next. Okay, then we're going to slip stitch into the next single crochet and chain 8. Slip stitch into the second chain from your hook. Half double crochet in the next 3 chains. Single crochet in the next chain. That says single crochet, and then we're going to slip stitch into the last single crochet. And for the stem, we're going to chain 7. And we're going to slip stitch in all 6 chains because you don't count the first. Okay, and then slip stitch into the same stitch. Finish off. Okay. So then you have this curled up little cannabis leaf. You will need to block it. You can block it with just water if you're gonna, or just sew it onto whatever you're gonna sew it onto, and it will look good. I stiffened mine with a solution of 1 part glue to 2 parts water. I think I used like 2 tablespoons of clear Elmer's glue to 4 tablespoons of water. I just used a little paintbrush and mixed it up, and I used some blocking pins to hold down the leaves, and I just soaked it as much as possible, and I let it dry overnight, and then the next morning it was nice and stiff enough. I actually made another one into an earring, and I'll be doing the same thing to this one, and I think it would be really cute to wear like at a festival or whatever. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Strings to Things channels. You can also find me on Facebook. Thank you!